Hallo Freunde, heute sind wir hier in Botanical Garden in Jaipur. Das ist wirklich ein wunderschöner neuer Garten und bis jetzt wurde das nicht also für Publikum eröffnet, aber bald sind Sie hier. Sie kommen, das kostet ja ein bisschen schon, wenn Sie hier kommen, aber heute zeige ich Ihnen einige sehr wichtige Spezialitäten des Gartens und wir sprechen jetzt mit Herr Rajesh Kumar. Er erklärt uns einige Spezialitäten des Gartens. Ja, Herr Rajesh. Yes, please.
This is a Dravyavati River project. In Dravyavati River project, we are having three type of parks. One is the bird park, second one is the landscape park, and this one is the botanical park. It is located about 25 kilometers away from Jaipur railway station and bus stand. Here we are in a greenhouse which is made up of a polycarbonate sheet, and you are seeing a fan pad system here. It is a special type of greenhouse. In Rajasthan, it is one of the unique because it is made up of polycarbonate sheet. Normally in Rajasthan we are having greenhouses of shaded or of polythene, but this one is of polycarbonate, in which we can reduce the temperature up to 10 degrees Celsius. Whatever is the temperature outside, we can reduce up to 10 degrees Celsius.
And what
improves the humidity up to 80 to 90%. Here you are seeing a flower which is called orchid. Different varieties of orchids are there. Normally orchids are grown widely in Arunachal Pradesh in India, and most of the time they are imported from Thailand. And you are seeing different colors of Dendrobium. This one is a Dendrobium red spinach. This is Dendrobium Bangkok. Different varieties are there. You are seeing different colors, colorful. And the cost of the flowers, it is the most expensive flowers in the world. A single stick cost about 150 to 200 rupees. Normally, if you compare with the roses, Dutch roses, one stick cost about 20 rupees. But here in this case, it cost 150 to 200 rupees per stick. It's very expensive. This is a gerbera. It is again a cut flower. You can grow it, and the stems are just broken from here and packed in a polythene bags, and in a bunch it is 10 flowers in a bunch. This one is a spathiphyllum. It is having a white flower, and again here Dutch roses are there, and on the back side there is anthuriums. Again it's one of the expensive flower. This is Dutch roses. On the back side there is another type of flower that we call it anthuriums. In anthurium flowers, this one is a spathe and this is spadix, and this is a whole flower. This one is spathe, this is spadix, and we took out the flower from here. Okay. The next one is carnation. Carnation, two varieties are there. One is a standard. In case of standard carnation, we are having only one flower, but in case of spray carnation, we are having more than 2 or 3 flowers on a stick. Next to it is gerberas, and next to that is leather leaf. It is touched with leaf, just like a leather. Feeling of leather is there. It is used in making bouquets and all. Here you can see bicolor flowers are also there. 2 or more colors in a single flower. We call it a bicolor varieties in case of gerberas. Same is with the Dutch roses also. On the top you are seeing this green screen. When temperature is high, we spread it, and when temperature is less, sunlight is less, then we bring it, open it with the help of a button.
Folding, unfolding.
Folding and unfolding. Unfolding is done when light is less. More light intensity, we just spread it up. And similarly, you are seeing this side pad is there, and on other side fan is there. The water fall on the pad, and temperature is reduced by increasing the humidity inside the greenhouse. And when humidity increases, the hot air is blown out by the fans outside. This is The whole greenhouse, this polycarbonate sheet greenhouse works on a phenomena on sensor based. Automatically it is operated. And this greenhouse is one of the unique in Rajasthan. People want to see it, and soon we are going to open it for the public. On that side, on the corner, there is a leaf, we call it a Truscus leaf. We bought it from Meghalaya. It's if you touch it and feel, it will look like a plastic sheet. If you cut this leaf and put it into the water, it lasts green for more than 45 days.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Saini.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Saini. This is really wonderful information. Thank you so much.
ये जो आप देख रहे हैं बीच में, इसको हाइड्रेंजिया बोलते हैं। इतना बड़ा फूल हो जाता है इसका, हाइड्रेंजिया। आमतौर पे इंडिया के अंदर ये कहीं पे ग्रो हो रहा है तो वो है कश्मीर, कश्मीर में होता है, बाकी की जगह फॉरेन में हो रहा है। पर हम लोगों ने इसको ग्रीन हाउस बना के लाया है। ये 1200 स्क्वायर मीटर का ग्रीन हाउस है। अपने आप में राजस्थान का पहला या दूसरे नंबर का ग्रीन हाउस है ऐसा। आमतौर पर पॉलीथीन शीट का बना होता है, ये पॉलीकार्बोनेट शीट का बना हुआ है। ये देखो, ये वाला देखने लायक है, सीन। सब्जी और फूल के 12 सिंगा है।
फूल लगा के वो बेचते
एक बार 12 सिंगा
है ना। और वो देखिए, और इसका नाम है 12 सिंगा।
ये लिखा है 12 सिंगा।
Caryophyllus